Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background layer and converting that duplicate into a smart object so your pixelation stays non-destructive. Once done, hide the original for reference and, if needed, use the marquee or lasso to select the area to pixelate. This makes the edit local and reversible. Make sure to name the layer, because later steps target that smart object. Doing this now saves time and keeps your file flexible for fine-tuning or selective adjustments later. You then go to Filter, choose Pixelate, and pick Mosaic to set a cell size. Higher numbers give blockier pixels, lower numbers preserve detail. Because you used a smart object, the Mosaic becomes a smart filter you can double-click to change. Once applied, add a layer mask to the smart object and paint with a soft black brush to reduce pixelation in selective areas. This lets you blend the effect smoothly with surrounding details and control the visual emphasis precisely. You finish by checking edge transitions, and if satisfied, export using Export as to control format and quality. Keep the PSD if you may edit later. Make sure color profile and resolution are correct before saving. If the pixelation looks too soft after export, reopen the smart filter and increase the cell size, or add a subtle unsharp mask to the masked pixels. One key tip: if selection edges show halos, refine the mask with a small feather and paint at 100%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.